What if everything you believe about the world is a lie? What if time isn't constant, reality isn't solid, and you're not even truly in control of your thoughts? These aren't just sci-fi ideas. They're real scientific discoveries that challenge the very foundation of existence. Stay with me, because the fifth one will seriously mess with your mind. Let's dive into 7 scientific facts that will make you question reality. Quantum entanglement. Spooky action at a distance. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Quantum entanglement means 2 particles can be connected in such a way that the state of one instantly affects the other, even if they're light years apart. Imagine you have 2 coins, one on Earth and one on Mars. If you flip one and it lands heads, the other immediately becomes tails, without any signal traveling between them. Scientists have tested this again and again, and it works. But no one knows how. It violates our understanding of space and time. Some physicists now believe space itself might be an illusion, and that everything is connected beyond physical distance. Simulation hypothesis. Are we living in a computer? This theory says, what if we're not real? According to philosopher Nick Bostrom and even Elon Musk, there's a high probability that we're living in a computer simulation created by an advanced civilization. Why? Because if future civilizations can run simulations indistinguishable from reality, and they run millions of them, statistically, we're probably inside one. We already simulate entire universes with physics engines in video games. So how can we be sure our universe isn't just the next level up? Look closely at the code of the universe. Physics behaves suspiciously like programming. Time dilation. Time moves differently. Did you know time can stretch or compress depending on where you are and how fast you're going? It's called time dilation. Einstein proved that time slows down the faster you move and the stronger gravity is around you. That means if you lived near a black hole, your minute would feel like years to someone far away. Astronauts on the International Space Station age a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. It's not just theory, it's measured. Time is not fixed. It flows differently depending on the forces around you. So, what is now, really? 4. Dark matter and dark energy, the invisible universe. Everything you can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up just 5% of the universe. The other 95% is completely invisible. It's called dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter doesn't emit or absorb light, but it has gravity. It holds galaxies together. Dark energy, even stranger, is what's causing the universe to expand faster and faster. Scientists know it's there because of how it affects space, but they don't know what it is. We're basically blind in the dark, trying to map a universe we can't even see. You're floating in a cosmic ocean made of mystery. The observer. Effect. Your attention changes reality. Here's where things get weird. In quantum physics, particles behave differently when they're being observed. In the famous double-slit experiment, particles act like waves when not watched, but like solid points when measured. It's as if the universe knows when it's being watched and changes its behavior. Are we shaping reality just by looking at it? This suggests consciousness might play a fundamental role in the universe. Maybe reality doesn't exist without someone to observe it. So what is real? Neuroplasticity. Your brain is always changing. Your brain isn't fixed. It's constantly rewiring itself. This is called neuroplasticity. Every thought you have, every new experience, physically changes your brain structure. Trauma, learning, habits. Your brain adapts, strengthens, or weakens pathways. It means you're not stuck with who you are today. You can literally change the way you think, act and feel, because your brain is plastic, not stone. The boundary between mind and body isn't as solid as you think. Multiverse theory. We might not be alone. What if this universe is just one of many? Some theories in cosmology suggest there may be countless parallel universes, each with different laws of physics. Maybe in one universe, dinosaurs never went extinct. In another, you're a billionaire astronaut. This isn't just fantasy. Quantum mechanics and cosmic inflation models make the multiverse a real scientific possibility. And if it's true, what does that mean about you? Are there infinite versions of you out there living other lives? These discoveries aren't science fiction, they're peer-reviewed facts, but they shatter our common sense. Reality, time, the universe, none of it is as solid as it seems. So now I ask you, which of these facts blew your mind the most? Leave your answer in the comments. We want to know how you see reality after this. And if this video made you think a little deeper, do one small thing: subscribe to FactPulse, where science meets mystery. Every week, we bring you mind-expanding facts, deep questions, and real discoveries you won't hear in school. Hit like if you enjoyed this journey. And remember, nothing is quite as it seems.